In the event of a water damage emergency, call PuroClean of Cenla.
Hey everybody, how's it going? Looks like we have some beautiful weather out there over Toledo Bend right now. There's a boat if you can't see it. It's about halfway down on your screen there. I have not seen them catch a fish, but I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt. Looks like a good day to be out on the water as we have a little breeze, but 72. We have a front in the area, and I'll show you that and what it's up to here in Alexandria. My dew point is down to 59 on this sensor. At the airport, it's still showing 65, but we saw a decided drop here on this sensor a little bit earlier in the day today. So that front's really close, and I think the dew points are going to drop this evening. Again, I will show you all this in just a second. Here is radar. Not much going on. Winter storm watches. These are going to connect up, I think, over the next day or so. We're going to see a pretty big winter event over the next couple of days to our north. Actually, probably two waves of this. The first one coming through on Tuesday. The next one coming in a little later on Wednesday into Thursday. But there's going to be snow and all that good stuff. So if you have travel plans up north, you will want to check ahead on your flights and all that stuff. But you should do that this time of year anyway. So yeah, you can see the front, right? We have 82 in Baton Rouge, 76. It's right overhead here in Alexandria, 82 in Leesville, and 56 up in Monroe. So if you are in the northern fringes, like I've been saying here, it's possible we're going to have days where we have highs in the 40s up north and we have highs in the 70s to near 80 down south. So this front is going to really play havoc with our forecast. It's going to be tough to keep it accurate, but we are going to do our best. Here's your current map with the dew points, much drier air to the north. But the thing is, how this front's going to set up, and this whole setup we're going to have here means that we're going to see scattered activity to the south of it. That's where we could see severe weather. And to the north, we get this flow over top of the front. That's going to generate a lot of rainfall and possibly some thunderstorms as well. So I think the severe threat's lower, but the heavy rain threat is higher. Don't pay attention to the exact numbers. This is just a model. So this is going to show you that, yes, those dew points are going to shrink down to the 30s, maybe upper 20s tonight, 46 in Leesville. Again, we're not paying attention to specifics. What I want to show you here is this all kind of pushes down to the south. We could still see some light sprinkles in the area, but then there comes the deep moisture coming back to the north. As this streams up to the north, we're going to see this boundary kind of solidify once again with showers and thunderstorms running along this. Heavier rain to the north, possible severe weather to the south, and you can see this thing just kind of wavers as it continues through Tuesday afternoon. So that's why temperatures are going to be tough. The wind speeds, you can see the front here as well, northerly to the north at about 10 to 15, southerlies meeting up with that. Not enough going on in the upper levels to get showers and storms today, though we could see a few sprinkles out there, and those winds are going to be coming in from the north-northeast all the way offshore. So actually, I would, man, this would be a good day to go surf fishing. Ooh. See, I need to go fishing. The guys, I'm going to a Super Bowl party, and I know some of them have boats, and I'm hitting someone up. We're going fishing soon. I declare it. I will fish soon. We have 74 degrees at 4 p.m. Temperatures mid to upper 60s this evening, and we'll cool off pretty quickly with that drier air in place. Now, there is the chance for a storm or two by Tuesday. I think some heavy rain is also possible. I think we're going to go ahead and keep that severe threat pretty low, and it's going to be more confined to the south. The GFS model shows that we have wave after wave. This is what we've been talking about for days here. So Tuesday evening, wave number 1 coming through to Wednesday morning. We get another one. Then we probably see a little break. The GFS likes to bring a little more rainfall on Thursday than I think is actually going to happen. So I'm going to keep chances pretty low, about 20 to 30%. But then another round comes through on Saturday, gets out of here by Sunday, and we see some cooler air settle in. So it's going to be rainy. There is the potential for some severe weather, though it's pretty low at this point. SPC has not delineated an area just yet for that. But you can see here, south of the front generally, lower totals on the rainfall. To the north, I think we're going to see some heavy rainfall out of this. Is the groundhog likely right or wrong? I just saw that. Well, it's like me. You know, it's right some of the times, wrong some of the other times. I think we're going to see some cool air coming in. So I guess correct in some way, shape, or form. But it's typical to keep it cold in February. But I like the groundhog. I'm a fan. I know a lot of meteorologists, they get a little upset about the groundhog stealing their thunder. I can definitely share it with the groundhog. It's my kind of forecaster. 2 to 4 inches of rain. I think some higher totals to the north, lower to the south, where you're going to be south of that front, and the humidity will stay a bit higher. So thunderstorms, they're happening Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures just kind of wavering around here. So look at these numbers with caution. Going to be much cooler to the north, much warmer to the south. We typically don't have a setup this difficult on temperatures here, but we'll surge up again. 78 as that warm, moist air comes in for Saturday. Then we cool things off Sunday behind this system. And then behind all this, I do think we stay pretty cool. So I guess the groundhog's spot on, maybe better than me. I don't know. So below normal temperatures, February 17th to the 23rd. I think we get another system to come through and bring us some rain, probably around that next Thursday. So like 10, 11 days out. Yeah, it's a great day in Cenla. Love it. Love it. Yes. Anybody but the Chiefs. Thanks. Well, that narrows it down, though. I mean, guess that's the Eagles or I don't know, something crazy happening. But I'm going to get out of here for today. I am going to run over, see what's going on with the folks making some homemade pizzas and watching some football this evening. Be safe, have fun, all that stuff. I'll see you back here in the morning. Have a great Sunday.